how to save Instagram photos and videos in gallery. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. You will be led to the settings and activity page of Instagram. Here, scroll down to the Your App and Media tab and further tap on the archiving and downloading option you see there. Further, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for Save Original Photos, and with this, from now on, all the photos and videos that you post will be saved to your camera roll automatically. So, this is how you can save Instagram photos and videos. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.